Hello and welcome to the setup and customization video for SecureDrive KP. In this video, we will be covering how to remove the drive from the packaging. Let's get started. To remove the drive from the packaging, press the tabs in at the top. Once the tabs are pushed in, you can remove the plastic cover. Now you can reach in and pull the drive out. Inside of the cover, you will find the included USB 3.0 cable and the quick start guide. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. If you still have questions, give us a call toll-free at 1-800-875-3230 or visit our website at www.securedrive.com.